Hi guys, so it's Dai again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unsubscribe from Remini app. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to enter the app, then go to the settings button at the top right corner, then scroll down. You can actually restrain your AI model first, then you go to cancel subscription. So what you're going to be doing is click here now to unsubscribe. So when you click here now to unsubscribe, then it's going to redirect you to manage your subscription. So what you're going to be doing is you just tap on the cancel subscription button, then it's going to refer you to the reason. You're going to be selecting the reasons why you're not going to be using the app anymore. So I would recommend you to choose the second option, which is I don't use this service enough, and or you can actually use I found a better app. So I'm going to be using I found a better app, but you can actually use whatever um reasons over here. So then you tap on it, then you click on cancel subscription, so it's automatically going to cancel your subscription. If this video was helpful, give it a like and share. Thanks.